Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am back with another Bible sketch notes. So we just did the survey of 2 Kings, and we're looking at all the things that are going on here. We know that there is Elijah and Elisha, there's deportation to Assyria and to Babylonia, and there's some evil kings involved and all that kind of stuff. I think what I'm going to focus on is Elisha, and the ending of Elijah, because I did him over here, Elijah. I think I'm going to do Elisha as well. So I'm going to do that on this page, and hope you will stay along with me while I do that. And I'm going to put it on fast forward so you can see me work. Alright, so I am basically back, and what's today? So, these are some of Elisha's. We know he did double the amount of Elisha, because he had double anointing when he took his cloak from Elijah. He received his cloak, and so he's got a double portion. But I just put 8 of the miraculous things he did, verse 16, because that's what would fit. So anyway, this page is dedicated to Elijah, and some of the notable ones that we think about when we think about him. He departed the Jordan, and he made it rain for the animals so they could, have water. He blessed the Shunammite woman with, telling her to get the pots of her oil would overflow. Very similar to what Elijah did with the lady with the cakes and everything. So this is pay off her debt with her sons. And then he raised the Shunammite son from the dead after he had died. He actually laid on him, but, I can't draw that anyway. He turned the poisonous pottage. He cured that so that it would no longer be poisonous. He fed the multitude with, the bread and the barley and the corn and ears of a barley, I can't talk, grain, the bread basically, and fed the multitude. He sent the word to heal Naaman of leprosy, so his skin would turn back from turning white with the leprosy, and then he made the axe head float. So, he did just like Elisha, very similar things. Elijah did wonderful things. We wish sometimes we had prophets that was doing things like this now, although there are some people that do miraculous things, not quite like these, but anyway, it's just amazing to see, and it helped with the people's belief in the faith, seeing the things that he did. So this is just a summary of Elisha, and I put today's date on it. So I have a picture of this on my hzscribe webpage, and then I come back and I don't know what I'm going to do next week for 2 Kings, but this is the beginning of 2 Kings, and I want to thank you for taking the time to stop by, liking, watching, and figure out a way that you might want to visually represent the Lord. I'm not an artist, but this is what I'm doing. So take care, God bless, and I dare you to read your word.